How to withdraw money from Freecash to Cash App. Open your Freecash account and log in. Go to the Withdraw or Cash Out section on your dashboard. Check if Cash App is available as a direct withdrawal option. If Cash App is not available, choose a cryptocurrency option like Bitcoin. Open your Cash App on your phone. Enable the Bitcoin feature in Cash App settings if it is not already enabled. Tap the Receive Bitcoin option in Cash App. Copy your Bitcoin wallet address from Cash App. Go back to Freecash and paste the Bitcoin address into the withdrawal field. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Confirm the withdrawal details and submit the request. Wait for Freecash to process and send the payment. Check Cash App until the Bitcoin appears in your account. Sell the Bitcoin in Cash App to get the money as cash balance. Thank you for watching.